In this lecture, we'll learn how to add tolerances to our dimensions. So in 2D technical drawings, it's very common to see general tolerance stated. So I'm going to go ahead and add in a general tolerance guideline, and I do that in the title block. So here we have our general tolerances, which are applicable to every dimension within this drawing. So our linear has a tolerance of plus or minus 0.2, and our angular plus or minus 1.5. But let's say, for example, that we had a dimension which was critical and differed from the general tolerances. We can state that specifically along with the dimension here. So I'm going to choose this one in this case. So this dimension is from this face here to the face on the other side. Let's go ahead and double click on that. And then in our toolbox, if we scroll down, then we'll get to the bottom where we have tolerances. Select that. And in Fusion, we're offered three different options: symmetrical, deviation, and limit. Symmetrical is a simple plus or minus value. So in this case, the tolerance, let's say a tolerance of 1.5 there differs from the general. So we've allowed here for a tolerance on this linear dimension of plus or minus 0.15. So in this case, the upper tolerance would be 140.65 and the lower would be 140.35. Let's now change that to deviation. And this is where the upper and lowers differ. So let's say the upper was, let's say we're allowed for 0.3, but the lower we would only allow down to 0.15. So in this case, we would have 140.8 as the upper tolerance, and then as the lower would be 140.35. And the last option we have is limit. And this is where we just state the upper tolerance, so 140.8, and the lower is 140.35 as per the limits that we've input here. So that's how we add tolerances to our drawings. Nice and simple and really helpful for when we need to deviate from the general tolerance. And I'll see you in the next lecture.